How to turn on data saver mode in Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. To like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Snapchat and then hit on your profile icon at the top of your screen, the left top of your screen. Then you have to click on the settings at the right hand side at the top of your screen. Just click on that one and scroll down until you find here the option manage. Just click on the manage at the very top of your screen. In your manage option, you can see the data saver. What you have to do, just switch it on. What it does, it will reduce the data usage in your Snapchat and you can use your Snapchat on less data. Once you click on that one, you can see the option of 3 days, 1 week until turn off. If you want to switch on your data mode for 3 days or 1 week or until you switch it off, just select the option of your choice. In this way, you can turn on data saver mode in your Snapchat. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.